Welcome to our channel. Today we will study about refraction through a lenses. In that one we will learn about its B part, that is the formation of images by a lens. So let us start. Formation of images by lens. We know in previous part we have already studied there are the two type of lenses, one is convex lens and other is concave lens. So in both the lenses how image is going to be formed, we will learn about that. So principles, first part is here, that is the principle और कंस्ट्रक्शन रेज फॉर रे डायग्राम्स. तो रे डायग्राम जो फॉर्मेशन है रे डायग्राम का, उसके लिए हमें 3 पॉइंट्स बेसिकली याद रखने हैं. पहला, इफ अ बीम ऑफ लाइट इज पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस देन इट विल पास थ्रू द फोकस. आई विल रिपीट इट अगेन. इफ अ बीम ऑफ लाइट इज पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, after refraction through the lens it will pass through the focus. ये compulsory part है. And second, if a beam of light is passing directly through the optical center then there will be no change in the path. और तीसरा है, अगर if a beam of light is passing through center of curvature then it will reflect in the same medium. So, or we can say it will incident normally at the surface. So, these 3 points we have to remember. Yeah, of course. And एक उल्टा भी हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि हमने बोला कि if any parallel beam is there, if any beam of light is passing parallel to the principal axis, then after refraction it passes through the focus. और अगर कोई बीम, अभी से इसी का रिवर्स पार्ट, if any beam of light is passing through the focus then after refraction it will be parallel to the principal axis. तो ये 3 मेजर पॉइंट्स हैं that we have to remember for the formation of images. So let us start. First is here we have a ray of light incident at the optical center O of the lens passes undeviated through the lens. Already all the points I have mentioned. So just by the diagram we can say if any beam of light is like this, this light is passes through the optical center, then it will be undeviated. This is the incident ray and this is the refracted ray we can say, but it doesn't deviated because it passes through the optical center. This is optical center. Center of a lens is the optical center. Simple way we can say it is about the convex lens. Now in case of concave lens, again same thing. If a beam of light passes through the optical center, it will not change its path, it will remain same. So this is the incident ray and this is refracted ray. Why I am using the word refracted? Because it passes from one medium to another medium. This lens is made up by glass, so as the beam of light is in air, then after refraction it passes through the glass. So in both the cases that happens. So what we have to remember, if any beam of light is passing through the optical center of any lens, then it will pass undeviated. Okay. Now second point, already I was mentioned कि if any beam of light is incident parallel to the principal axis and then it will either pass through the focus or appear to meet at the focus. Both the things are there. Pass through the focus in case of convex lens for the real images and appear to meet for the concave lens for virtual images. Okay, then after refraction it goes like this, and this point is focus. Now in case of concave lens के केस में क्या होगा? This is the incident ray, this is the incident ray. Okay, after refraction it diverges because it have diverging nature, and that appear to meet at the point, that point is focus, this point is focus. So this is the second point. And what is here? A ray of light incident parallel to the principal axis, after refraction through both the lenses, passes through the focus in convex lens but appears to come from the second focus in case of concave lens. This is first focus, this is second focus, this is first focus, this is second focus for concave lens, and this was for convex lens. Next part is this also I was tell कि if any beam of light is passing through the focus, then after refraction it will be parallel to the principal axis. That point, just we can draw the diagram for it. So we have any beam of light is incident like this, that passes through the focus. This point is the focus, incident ray. After refraction it will be parallel to the principal axis, Same case for the concave lens के भी केस में same होगा. This is the incident ray, right? Incident ray हो गया. After refraction it will be parallel to the principal axis and it appear to meet at the point, that is the focus. Okay, that it is coming from the focus. Now kinds of images, there are the two kinds of images. One is the real, another is virtual. And we know in case of convex lens, most of the time real images are formed. Only one exceptional case is there. If the object is in between, that we will discuss later on. If the object is in between focus and optical center, then and only then virtual image will form. Apart from this, in all cases real images will form. So what is the real image and what is the virtual image? If the beam of light after refraction actually meet at a point, then that will be real image, and if it appear to meet, then it will be virtual image. Means where they will meet, that point, which kind of image will form? That will be virtual. Okay, so real images. What are the real images? If the rays from a point of object after refraction through the lens actually meet, then at that point the image is real. We will see. Yes, we will see later on. Actually meet, this word is very important. That is real image. Virtual image, if the rays from a point of object after refraction through the lens do not actually meet, but they appear to meet, and if they appear to meet at a point, then there will be formation of virtual images. So appear to diverge or appear to meet from a point, the image is virtual. So actual meet होता है तो real, and appear to diverge or appear to meet at a point होता है तो virtual. Now construction of ray diagram for a lens. Just we will see everything. Construction of ray diagrams means what we have to remember for the construction. वही 3 points जो हमने basically पढ़ा है, 3 point फिर से मैं repeat कर रहा हूँ. वो 3 point हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा है कि if a beam is parallel to the principal axis and after refraction either it will actually meet at the focus or appear to meet at the focus. That is the first point. Second point, if a beam of light is passing through the optical center, then ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से पास करेगा तो क्या होगा, इट विल नॉट डेविएट एट ऑल. और तीसरा पॉइंट क्या याद रखना है कि इफ एनी बीम ऑफ लाइट इज पासिंग थ्रू द फोकस आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन, it will parallel to the principal axis. So these 3 points again we have to remember, and only these 3 points will utilize. So first point, as we can see, this is any lens, convex lens it is, and object is here, and the object is passing through the optical center. It will pass directly, it will not deviate. Deviation will not take place. So we can complete it. Object is here, it is passing through the this one, then its actual path will be like this way we can say, yes, this. So incident ray, refracted ray, it is passing through the optical center, no deviation takes place. So no deviation in this case. Now in second part, what we can observe, if this is convex lens, object is here, one ray is parallel to the principal axis, then it will pass through the focus. ये focus हो गया. और दूसरा optical center से पास करेगा तो it will not deviate. वही पॉइंट्स घुमा फिरा के हमें वही याद रखने का है. As we can see, this is the incident ray. After refraction, it passes through the focus. This, yes, passes through the focus. Focus से पास होता है incident ray. And secondly, if beam of light is passing through the optical center, then it will not deviate. And where they meet, at that point there is the formation of image. तो image का formation हम इस point पे दिखा देंगे. This is the formation of image. Okay. Next, again third point, what I was mentioned, if any beam of light is passing through the optical center, it will not deviate at all. But if it is passing through the focus, after refraction it will be parallel to the principal axis. Second beam is passing like that way, it is passing through the focus. After refraction it will be parallel to the principal axis. This is principal axis and it is parallel to this one. So this way, where they meet, at that point image is going to form. In this case also, construction by 3 rays, इमेज का फॉर्मेशन by 3 rays. तो वी आर यूटिलाइजिंग, पहला रे जो है वो पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस है. देन इट डाइवर्जेस इन केस ऑफ कॉनकेव लेंस, बट इट अपीयर टू मीट एट अ पॉइंट. ये फोकस पे मीट करेगा. दूसरा, एज वी आर डाइवर्जिंग फ्रॉम हियर, तो यहाँ से डाइवर्ज होके इधर चला गया, बट इट अपीयर टू मीट at this point. And third is, as it passes through the optical center, then it will not deviate at all, and where these two meet, that is the formation of image. At this point there is the formation of image. Next part is it was in case of concave lens. Now next is for the convex lens. Convex lens में भी वही तीनों पॉइंट हमें अप्लाई करना है. यहाँ पे तीनों पॉइंट एक साथ दे दिया. If any beam of light is passing parallel to the principal axis, after refraction it passes through the focus. This point is focus. Second beam, when a beam of light is passing through the optical center of a lens, it does not deviate, so it passes straight away like this. And third, if a beam of light is passing through the focus, then after refraction it will be parallel to the principal axis, and where all the rays will meet, at that point there is the formation of image. So this is the way how image will form in every cases. Now characteristics and location of images for the convex lens. ये अलग अलग कंडीशन है कि अगर ऑब्जेक्ट इस पोजीशन पे है तो इमेज कहाँ बनेगा, object, like agar if the object is beyond the focus, beyond the center of curvature, then where image will form. And if the image is object is at the center of curvature, then center of curvature means that is also called as 2f, then where image will form. And if the object is in between center of curvature and focus, that is then where image will form. And last case has come, if the object is in between optical center and focus, then where image will form. In case of convex lens, because concave lens में सिर्फ एक केस होगा, ऑब्जेक्ट कहीं भी है, उसका इमेज जो होगा वो वर्चुअल बनेगा. बट इस केस में, इन केस ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, सिर्फ एक केस है जिसमें वर्चुअल इमेज बनेगा, एंड दैट केस इज इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन between focus and optical center. So one by one we have to see all the conditions. So first we are going to discuss about the convex lens. Convex lens, ये सारे cases convex lens के बारे में. तो पहला है, ये हमारा convex lens है, and first case we are taking when the object is at infinity. Infinity पे है and u is infinity. Then whatever beams are coming, that will be parallel to the principal axis. If that will be parallel to the principal axis, then we can see its image like this. This is the incident ray. After refraction, it passes through the focus, right? And this is the principal beam which is parallel to the principal axis. Now as it after refraction, it passes through the focus. So this point is the focus, this is incident ray, and these two are the refracted rays. Okay, so nature of image we have to write in this case. Suppose, then I can write which kind of image is formed over here. Image is real. In this case, actually meet, these rays actually meet at this point. Actual में meet कर रहे हैं. तो अगर एक्चुअल में मीट कर रहे हैं तो रियल इमेज बनता है. अपीयर टू मीट होता है तो क्या होता है, वर्चुअल इमेज होता है. तो इमेज कैसा बना, रियल बना. और कैसा बना, रियल इमेज होता है तो इन्वर्टेड होता है. रियल, इन्वर्टेड एंड डिमिनिस्ड. सो नेचर ऑफ इमेज विल बी रियल, देन inverted and diminished. This is the nature of image in this case. Now second is, if the object AB is at a far distance, u is very much greater as compared to f. तो in that case क्या होगा, वापस से the beam will be parallel to the but parallel to each other, it will not be parallel to the principal axis. तो उसका इमेज कहाँ बनेगा, at the focus, at the focal plane के ऊपर बनेगा. मतलब फोकस जहाँ पे है उसी लाइन में बनेगा. तो as we can see about this part, this is incident ray which is parallel to the principal axis. This is the incident ray which is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, ये बीम जो है फोकस से पास कर रहा है तो पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस हो जाएगा. और ये ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से पास कर रहा है तो इफ अ बीम ऑफ लाइट इज पासिंग थ्रू द ऑप्टिकल सेंटर, इट विल नॉट डेविएट. तो इमेज कहाँ बना, इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड एट द फोकल प्लेन. ये फोकल प्लेन है, दिस इज द फोकल प्लेन. तो यहाँ पे भी हम लोग नेचर ऑफ इमेज लिख सकते हैं. तो इमेज का नेचर क्या होगा, इमेज विल बी रियल, inverted and diminished. मतलब smaller than object, we can say it as diminished. Now characteristic and location of the image formed. कहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट है तो कहाँ पे इमेज बनेगा. All these points we have to learn. So the image is at 2f2, then the other side of the lens is a, okay, probably I have made somewhere mistake. Anyway, just it was case 1, fine, case 1 था, ठीक है. The image is at 2f2 on the other, ठीक है, उसकी बात नहीं करेंगे हम लोग. Probably it is, थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया. केस 2 देखते हैं. When the object is beyond 2f1, it is 2f1, it is 2f2, beyond 2f1, मतलब object is here. If the object is here, then where the image will form? Image will form at, तो वही है बेसिक कंसेप्ट. व्हाट वी हैव टू रिमेंबर कि द बीम, एक बीम हम लोग पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस पास कराएंगे और दूसरा ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से. तो पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस है, देन इट विल पास थ्रू द फोकस, it will pass through the focus. And second time beam is passing through the optical center, then it will be undeviated. This is incident beam, this is refracted beam, and where they meet at that point image is formed. This is the point. So image is formed in between f2 and 2f2, in between f2 and 2f2. और कैसा होगा? इन्वर्टेड होगा, रियल होगा एंड स्मॉलर देन ऑब्जेक्ट होगा, स्मॉलर देन ऑब्जेक्ट. सो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एंड लोकेशन ऑफ द इमेज फॉर्म्ड, द इमेज इज इन बिटवीन f2 and 2f2 on the other side of the lens, right to the lens. It is the same side of the lens, it is the other side of the lens. Image is real, inverted and diminished. Application is a convex lens is used in this manner as a camera lens. When the object not very far, it is to be photographed. Case 3, when the object is at 2f1. If the object is at 2f1, ये 2f1 है, ऑब्जेक्ट इज हियर, इसका भी इमेज हम लोग कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. एज वी कैन सी, एक बीम जो है पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस होगा, देन इट विल पास थ्रू द फोकस, लाइक दिस वे, ओके. एंड अनदर बीम वी आर पासिंग थ्रू द ऑप्टिकल सेंटर, वेयर दे विल मीट एट दैट पॉइंट image will form. So at this place image is formed, and अगेन इमेज, अच्छा 2f पे है तो इमेज का साइज भी सेम होगा. तो इमेज का नेचर हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? इट इज इन्वर्टेड एट 2f2, ऑब्जेक्ट वाज एट 2f1, सो इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड एट 2f2. इट इज इन्वर्टेड, रियल एंड सेम साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, एज सेम साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट का जितना हाइट है उतना ही हाइट का ये भी रहेगा. So characteristic and location, the image is at 2f2 on the other side, of course other side at 2f2, real, inverted and same size as that of the object. In this manner a convex lens is used in terrestrial telescope for erecting the inverted image. अगर इमेज इन्वर्टेड है तो उसको सीधा करने के लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं? ये लेंस ऐसे पोजीशन पे फिक्स करते हैं, फॉर्म्ड बाय द ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज द व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन बिटवीन f1 and 2f1. सो एक लॉजिक वी हैव टू रिमेंबर, जैसे जैसे ऑब्जेक्ट जो है ना वो लेंस के करीब आएगा, इमेज लेंस से दूर जाएगा. दैट वी हैव टू रिमेंबर. तो लेंस से दूर जाएगा. पहले हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट कहां था? बियॉन्ड 2f2, देन एट 2f2, देन इन बिटवीन f1 एंड f2. तो इमेज पहले कहां बना था? वॉज मतलब नजदीक था, अभी दूर जा रहा है. तो जैसे ऑब्जेक्ट नजदीक आ रहा है लेंस के, तो इमेज विल मूव अवे. सो इन दिस केस अगेन आई विल कंप्लीट इट. It is the incident ray, After refraction it will pass through the focus. Why? Because it is the parallel beam which is parallel to the principal axis, and second beam we will pass through the optical center, and where they will meet at that point image will form. So they meet at this point, so image is formed here. तो image कहाँ पे बना? Beyond 2f2, beyond 2f2, 2f2 से दूर, other side of the lens, because it was the one side of the lens, it is at other side of the lens. अब enlarge बनेगा, it is size of image is bigger than that of the size of object. ये size बड़ा है as compared to this side, and inverted. These all are the, अच्छा जो बिगड़ होगा उसको मैग्नीफाइड बोलेंगे और जब छोटा होगा तो उसको डिमिनिश्ड बोलेंगे. वी हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट आल्सो. सो इमेज का नेचर क्या है? इट इज रियल, इन्वर्टेड एंड मैग्नीफाइड. रियल, इन्वर्टेड एंड मैग्नीफाइड. application in this manner, a convex lens is used in cinema and slide projectors. Here the magnified image is obtained on the screen placed at a large distance on the other side of the lens. Care is taken to put the slide in front of the lens just beyond its focus is inverted in inverted position so as to obtain an erect and magnified image on the screen. Next point is the when the object is at the focus. बहुत कॉमन सा पॉइंट है. अगर ऑब्जेक्ट फोकस पे है तो उसका इमेज कहां बनेगा? इंफिनिटी पे. बिकॉज अगर ऑब्जेक्ट इंफिनिटी पे था तो दैट्स इट्स इमेज वाज फॉर्म्ड एट फोकस. इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट इंफिनिटी तो इमेज फोकस पे बना. अभी उसका रिवर्स पार्ट है, कन्वर्स पार्ट वी कैन से. अगर ऑब्जेक्ट फोकस पे है तो इमेज कहां बनना चाहिए? एट इंफिनिटी. एट इंफिनिटी कैसे दिखाएंगे? इट विल बी पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. रिफ्रैक्टेड रे विल पास पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. सो जस्ट वी कैन सी नाउ ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट f1 first focus here. So we can complete it. This is incident ray. Incident ray after refraction it will pass through the focus. It will pass through the focus. This point is the focus. Incident ray and refracted ray. And second ray we will pass through the optical center as usually we do. Optical center से pass करेगा तो as it will pass through the optical center then no deviation takes place. Without deviation. And where they will meet, they are meeting at infinite. और मैंने बताया कि जितना लेंस के करीब आएगा ऑब्जेक्ट उसका इमेज का साइज उतना ज्यादा बढ़ेगा. तो ये क्या होगा? हाईली मैग्नीफाइड. इट विल बी हाईली मैग्नीफाइड. और क्या होगा? रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड. सो नेचर ऑफ इमेज विल बी real, inverted and highly magnified. Application in this manner, a convex lens is used in a collimator of a spectrometer to obtain a parallel beam of light by placing the source of light at the focus of the convex lens. Next case, ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट केस है. अब तक जो हमने 5 पोजीशंस देखे उसमें सब जगह क्या बन रहा था? देयर वॉज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ रियल इमेजेस. बट मैंने बोला था एक एक्सेप्शन है. इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन बिटवीन फोकस एंड ऑप्टिकल सेंटर देन एंड ओनली देन देयर विल बी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ वर्चुअल इमेज. सिर्फ एक कंडीशन है. वर्चुअल इमेज का फॉर्मेशन सिर्फ एक कंडीशन में होगा. इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन बिटवीन फोकस एंड ऑप्टिकल सेंटर. Okay, so when the object is in between the lens and focus, lens मतलब हम वहां बोल सकते हैं, O बोला है यहाँ पे, O is the optical center, lens of course lens, and object is here, so इसका already completed है. As we can say ये parallel to the principal axis हुआ, then it will pass through the focus. ये focus है हमारा, and optical center से पास किया तो वो सीधा पास हो जाएगा. इट विल नॉट डेविएट. तो आगे तो कहीं मिलने वाले नहीं है. दे विल नेवर मीट. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? दे अपीयर टू मीट एट अ पॉइंट. हम आगे पीछे इनको एक्सटेंड किए तो दे अपियर टू मीट एट अ पॉइंट, और जहाँ पे मीट किया दैट इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इमेज। तो यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कैसा इमेज बन रहा है, इरेक्ट बन रहा है, सीधा बन रहा है, इरेक्ट अपराइट वी कैन से, इरेक्ट बन रहा है। और कैसा है, ये साइज ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट था, ये साइज ऑफ इमेज था, तो इट इज हाईली मैग्निफाइड। सो हाईली मैग्निफाइड, इरेक्ट, and it appear to meet, so its nature will be what? Not real, but it will be virtual. So three things we will see. So characteristic and location of the image form, it is virtual, as I have mentioned, it appear to meet, so it is virtual. Erect or upright and magnified. Instead of magnified we can also write highly magnified. Okay, now application. What are the application of this one? Very common thing in simple microscope, reading glass, burning glass, and so many applications are there. So in this manner, a convex lens is used as reading lens or reading glass. We can't say reading glass, it is reading lens. Okay, fine, it's okay. Okay, to perform magnified virtual image of any tiny object, such as the small letter of a book or the small part of a watch also. Watchmaker use it. So, okay. So, list of these all 6, whatever different way I have explained, 6 possible positions of the object in case of convex lens, and in each case where the image was formed. For that there is the small chart that for each and everything in short it is given, just we can refer it in notes. Okay, next is the characteristic and location of image for the concave lens. So in beginning I will tell you, because earlier I was mentioned already, in case of concave lens always there will be formation of virtual images, and same side of the object where image was formed, the same size of the object image will form. Okay, so first case, when the object is at infinity पे है, तो all the parallel beam will diverge and they appear to meet, ये diverge होके चली गई, but they appear to meet at a point, that is the focus. तो ये इमेज इसका कहाँ बना, फोकस F2 पे। इमेज का नेचर क्या होगा, इट विल बी वर्चुअल, वर्चुअल होगा तो इरेक्ट होगा, कंपल्सरी इट इज वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट एंड डिमिनिश्ड, बिकॉज इट इज एट द फोकस, इट इज डिमिनिश्ड, हाईली डिमिनिश्ड, वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट एंड हाईली डिमिनिश्ड. Application, a concave lens is used in Galilean telescope in this manner. Now case 2, when the object is at any finite distance from the concave, at a finite distance पे, तो parallel beam as we can complete it, parallel beam object का will move like this. 1 minute, I will repeat it this way. It is the parallel beam, it diverges, after diversion it goes like this way and it appear to meet at a point, that is the focus. और दूसरा beam हम कहाँ से पास करा रहे हैं, that is passing through the optical center, so it will not deviate at all, it passes, okay, and where these two rays meet, at that point there is the formation of image. So what we can conclude from here, image is upright, so it is virtual, upright or erect, and it is diminished. Okay, so virtual, erect and diminished. Application, a concave lens is used in spectacles for short sightedness persons in this manner, and for these two condition, one chart is given here which we can refer. Okay, so this was in this topic we complete its B part, that is the formation of image by a lens. That is the request to everyone, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And one more information is given in this one, that PDF link is given for every nodes as well as numericals. You can download from the description box. In that one, PDF link is given. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.